Hi, we are Jorian and Sandra.
And this is our minivan. Well, not so mini anymore. So we have a 42-liter fridge. In this compartment we keep all the kitchenware, including wine glasses. And this goes in a PVC holder. Only the problem is I already wrecked one.
I smacked it off the table.
Other compartment is the storage for food and pans. This is our fire extinguisher, and we have a gas alarm.
It's a big table, but I need this. Here's our 30-liter water tank and the wastewater tank, and we have bubbles! And here is Fudge's food, a hammock behind the barbecue. We'll show it all!
And a fast forward, which you will see now.